What's going on? Roxy's shaking like crazy.
Yeah, because she went outside and like 20 coyotes sounded like right in Harold's yard. I said, oh.
Seriously?
As soon as they saw her, I said, get back up here. And she came up on the porch with me. And when she came and sat next to me, they stopped. And then I said, you gotta go inside.
Oh, you will be eaten, Roxy. You will be eaten. No, I think she heard a beeping sound somewhere. Something in this house beep. What time you get home?
I don't know.
And you don't sleep, hon?
What?
And you don't sleep?
I did.
I'm sorry, I was really like done sleeping, and I don't even notice you get home.
It's fine. You're supposed to be sleeping. So you my sweat sleeping there. With all the tissues in the pocket.
Oh no, that's not intentionally for laundry.
No.
I put it over there because I took this, and I clean it first because there's a lot of here, and then rub it where so. And then I forgot to put it back. Sorry. Where is it?
Okay.
Wait, there's a lot of tissue.
No, I thought you could throw it in the laundry with tissue in the pocket. It would make a mess in the laundry.
I just forgot. You know where's Dimples?
In the tower, I think.
No.
In the chair?
Yeah. What's wrong, monkey? What's wrong? What kind of wraps? How about the tuna salad I make? Are you gonna bring it? Are you gonna bring it? What's wrong with you? There's no beeping. I think it's just what I watched in the video.
It sounds plugged.
Babies. My two kids. Lagyan natin ng pagkain dito. So, si Tami kasi, so sabi niya sa akin kahapon, hindi niya alam kung uwi siya. So, sabi niya sa akin, wag ko daw itong lutuin. Bumili ako ng broccoli rab kasi paborito niya yan. So, kasi sa tingin ko, hindi siya. Pero umuwi, guys. Umuwi ang ating apang. Gumawa siya ng wrap. How about the tuna? You want it in a small container or the whole container? Okay. So, ang aking baby is lalayas na naman. Lalayas ang aking baby. Layas. Hindi pala niya ito dalhin lahat. She doesn't like it.
Yeah, cause that.
Go after her because that's what she wants. Go after her.
All of a sudden, you don't want good enough. All of a sudden, it's not good enough for you. You don't want.
Go, Roxy, get it. Go eat it. She's not happy. Ulit akong bumangon ngayon kasi nga nakatulog ako pag-alis ni Tami. Hindi na ako sabi ko, oh my goodness, alas 7 na pala. So, nagluto ako ng itlog para sa ating pamahaw. Meron. Dahil tayo lang mag-isa sa bahay at walang rason para lalabas tayo, mag-pretend na mag-shopping, mag-grocery kahit wala naman talaga nating bilhin. Dahil meron na tayo ditong mga ulam at gulay, no? So ngayon, ang gagawin ni Inday Mirian para hindi masyadong boryo ang buhay, naglinis na ako dito sa ating floor. Kasi po, ang floor ni Inday Mirian is ang dumi. Kasi yung ating asawa is hindi naniniwala yung sapatos na ilagay lang doon kung saan dapat ilagay at wag ipasok dito. Pero yung asawa ko is talagang hindi yan mapipigilan, guys. Kahit anong sabi ko, guys, na wag ipasok yung mga sapatos kasi dahil po kapag basa sa labas, ulan, snow, ice, ganun, basa yung pagpasok dito, guys. Alam mo bakit malalaman ko ang dumi-dumi na ng floor namin kahit hindi siya makita? Dahil po every time na papasok yan siya, magpunta muna yun sa bathroom, and yung bathroom namin is tiles. Klarong-klaro, guys, na ang daming mga putik na hindi naman sobrang maputik, pero alam mo na, nagdala siya ng dumi galing sa labas. So kaya ako, guys, ma-high blood na lang ako, guys. So ang gagawin ko is maglinis na lang, mag-mopping dito. Alam nyo ba na nakakapagod talaga ito guys. Pagkatapos ko naglinis, nagmapping ganito, alam nyo kung ano yung nanakit dito, no? Akong mga kabukton guys. Mura jud siya gipanumbag ang aking bukton pagka inumagahan. Pagkatapos niya yon, sabi ko ay dapat talagang masanay, lalo na kapag pa-spring na tayo guys. Kailangan natin maglinis sa labas, no? Ang daming gawain kaya, maraming sasabi na sobra kong tamad. Guys, usus Ginoo ko kung ako pa yung tamad guys, itong bahay guys is hindi talaga mahitsura, no? At so yaon, umabot na ako dito sa bedroom, but anyway, so keep on watching lang tayo na. At ito din pala, kailangan ko nang mag-ayos ng aming mga tax guys bago ako lalayas dito, no? Kasi, you know, alam nyo na, file tax April 15, before April 15, napasa na namin ito kasi or else talagang, ay nako, magbayad na naman kami ng penalty. Tingnan nyo guys. Look at that.
Shows you just how
Ice gig ay, grabe ay, nag-ice gig guys ay. Tingnan nyo that one is ganito ko nag-ice guys, mura na gid siya og salamin dahil sa ice, no, ganyan po. So andito kami sa labas, dito si Tami nanigarilyo sa labas kasi dito sa harap grabe talaga ang ice guys, hindi ito mag-melt madali kasi ang temperature is sobrang ginaw. Pasensya na kayo sa buhok ko kasi kailangan kong maglagay nito kasi sobrang dito nag-melt na kasi inano ko. May mga sasakyan guys, mga truck. What ito? Mura siya mura siya tawag nito. Mura siya salamin sa sobrang ginaw. I can even play, honey.
What?
I can play like sliding.
No, too much snow under it's soft and cracked. So what happened was when cold drop, temperature drop quick. The snow itself doesn't have time to solidify. What happens is the top layer solidifies, but the bottom layer is not frozen.
Yeah.
That's why you get that chocolate. It's like everything. You put a tray of ice cubes in the freezer, and you go there soon. The top is frozen. Like, poke it and there's water underneath.
Yeah.
Because it hasn't frozen through.
Order, sir. Order. Bahay dito guys, may mga outlet sa labas. May mga saksakanan. Kung gusto mong dito, gusto mong may mga music, mag-charge, pwede sa labas. Sa mga porch lang siya. Dito sa back porch namin meron. Dito din meron. Sa garayan meron. So, dalawa lang yung andito. Dito at saka doon. Sobrang ginaw So, sa March, mag-start na akong maglinis.